Welcome back everyone. Let's get the flame of hope and creativity going for the world. Right, may all beings benefit. So, let's rinse out. And let's look at this bottle on the right. Now there is some greens there, but there's a lot of smoky browns and then this very interesting coppery kind of color. So I think I'm going to involve my metallic pigments here. And let's make a nice mixture over there. But while at the same time, I just want to grab some of these color that I've got here. Let me see. I think I'm going to actually use this coppery color that I've got here. I haven't used it ever. I think now's a good time. And I think I'm going to mix it into this magenta kind of mixture that I have over here. Let's add some water to dilute it. If you want to see the rest of this video, then join my Patreon community today, because all of the full tutorial information, behind the scenes content, magical moments, one-on-one chats, and deeper insights into the oracle of the spirit animal guide is all available on my Patreon. So use the link in the description of this video and join me today, because there's a lot of magical things happening right now. No rope painting except for this section here where the rope is in the back, but I'm gonna wet that later. I wanted to say later, which is Afrikaans for later. Let's massage the water in.